Imagine you're ringside at a fierce boxing match, the crowd roaring, when suddenly the ground starts to shake. On September 19, 1985, in Mexico City, boxers were mid-bout when a devastating 8.0 magnitude earthquake struck. The arena trembled, lights flickered, and chaos erupted. Fighters and fans scrambled for safety as the bout was halted instantly. This surreal moment marked one of the only times in sports history a natural disaster stopped a match cold. Would you have kept fighting or run for cover as the world shook beneath your feet?